Hey, what's up everybody? It's Meredith, Shirk Training. We have an awesome tummy tightener workout today, and I'm wearing some white shoes and mocha pants. So you can see me dance around in this black garage all day long. So I'm super excited for this one, and you know the deal, we're gonna get into the workout right now. So the first exercise is roll-ups. So hands behind your head, and you're reaching up and really reaching up to the sky, keeping the vertebrae down, really close one at a time, really roll it up one at a time, reach, tuck your chin to your chest. So we're going 30 seconds here. And really take your time to really push through and try and keep your feet on the ground as you reach up. Good. Good, really reach, extend up. Good, reach and extend up. Nice. Next is gonna be a tabletop bump. We got about 5 seconds here. You might slide backwards on your mat a little bit. Reach up. Let's go one more. And one more for good measure. Always do one more just because you can. Good, reach, really stretch. Feel your intercostals. Really reach up and try and stretch your entire core up inside your rib cage. Next is a tabletop pump. So legs bent, feet together, and you're just coming out and back. So if you need to, what you can do is put your feet and just kind of come up like this, and a little bit of push does help you with your core, but just lock in your core. So coming straight up, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Try and keep your knees together as you come in. Next, we're gonna go a lying side reach. So if you need to, just go ahead and put one leg down at a time as well. Good variation. 3, 2, 1. Stretch out your chest and your core a little, and you're gonna lay on your side. So once you lay on your left side, left leg bent, right arm extended, and right leg extended, you're gonna crunch in. So as you crunch in, you wanna make sure that you're really pressing into your obliques. Reach and crunch, reach and compress. So we're gonna go 15 seconds on each side. Really reach open and close it down. Reach open and close it down. One more and close it down. Now we're gonna switch sides. So think about it. You're really reaching and closing, connecting your toe all the way. I cut myself on my side and it's rubbing on my pants. I'm like, ow. When you do this, you really wanna reach, extend all the way through your fingertips to your toes. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now we're gonna go bicycle scissors. Couple variations for this. You can have your hands behind your head, legs straight. Okay, and I'm gonna reach with my elbow and then reach. So if I can't do this, what I can also do is knees just regular bicycle. Bicycle's too much, hands down, leg extensions. So you've got a lot of variations for this. If you can do from here, then that's great. If not, bring it down to your knees. If not, one at a time. Ready from here, and then change. You'd think that this was not an actual workout, but this is crazy kind of workout when you actually push your core down into the mat. Good, let's go 2 more, ready? I want you guys to go 2 more really good ones. And down, reach, woo! Getting into our second set here. Take a big breath, reach all the way back. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 5 seconds, we're starting that roll up. 3, 2, and reach. So up and reach. Take your time here, up and reach. Really slow yourself down as you come down. Control your descent. So you really tuck your chin to your chest. Really reach up. See if you can stretch all the way to the top, all the way through your fingertips. Good, reach, 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 compress your core. Let's do one more. And up, reach, 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 and down. Shake out your arms, going to tabletop. Ready? And go. Remember, if you just need one, you can do that too. Try this one. And then together. Really extend out and press. Extend, compress. Extend, compress. Good, hold this here. Really try and get your knees to your nose, out straight. Compress your knees to your nose, hold it. Hold it here, 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, extend out and down. Woo! Woo! Lying side reach, guys. Next. If you want the core, you gotta do the work. Hands out and compress. And I know that people are like, I don't wanna do the work. I know you don't wanna do the work, but guess what? Nothing happens unless you do something about it, period. So that means you gotta do something, then do something, or don't do anything at all. 3, 2, and 1, and switch sides. What I mean is change starts with you. So if you do one of these workouts, a couple minutes out of your day, you have no idea how that's gonna change your life. It's all about little incremental changes over time, making that big change. 3, 2, 1, and crunch it in. Last but certainly not least, our bicycle scissors. So new variation, hands on your butt for a second here, underneath your butt, small kicks. And then just look at your toes. Tuck your chin to your chest, now point your toes. Good, kick. Compress that core, now cross it over. Gonna change it up on you guys here. You never know what you're gonna get with me, every day's an adventure. Good, keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and hold it here. Hold it. Let yourself slowly come up. Woo! All right, that was your tummy tightener. I don't know about you, my tummy is tight and my head is sweaty. So if you guys like this and you like my pants, you like this outfit, you can see me, let me know because I wanna hear from you. So click below, make sure you comment, like it, love it, share it. I'll see you guys on the next one.